Hey, I'm Andrea, and this is Knighthood for Beginners by Dolan. Choosing your trusty steed. The first thing every knight needs is a trusty steed. Select your steed based on physique, glossiness, attitude, and good looks. An eye for adventure is a bonus. Remember, the best knights have the best steeds. A steed? How do I get one of those? Thought Dave. Where do they live when they're not with their knights? They probably hang out in fields, swapping stories of adventure, lifting weights, and being fancy. I need to find one and convince it to be my steed. Luckily for Dave, the kingdom did a roaring trade in used steeds, so it wasn't long before he came across a field containing exactly what he was looking for. So many steeds, thought Dave, and I can see the perfect one. He's got all the things the book recommends. Dave was very excited to have already completed step 1. Dave jumped onto his steed of choice. "Wait! Stop!" yelled the steed, skidding to a halt. "How dare you? I am Albrecht, adventurer, explorer, trendsetter, and goat." Dave fell off with a bump, but he was too shocked even to care, because the steed had spoken. "Yeah, I am a very rare talking animal. You see, I had a run-in with a wizard in my younger days. But we don't talk about the wizard thing. It's painful memories. Now, how come you can talk, mein kleiner grüner friend? And why are you riding me?" said Albrecht. "Everyone knows dragons can talk," said Dave. "We also enjoy riddles, knitting, and occasionally eating villages. But I've not been much good at any of those. I chose you to be my trusty steed because you've got all the things the book said a steed should have: a physique, glossy coat, attitude, and good looks." "I am very good looking and glossy," said Albrecht. "I was voted Miss Farmyard 3 years in a row. What is this book that describes me so well?" Dave showed Albrecht the book. He studied it for some time, and Dave was very impressed that not only could his steed talk, but he could read too. "Knighthood, eh? You training to be a knight, kleiner Drach?" "Why?" said Albrecht. "Yes, I'm terrible at being a dragon," said Dave. "So terrible that I'm the only dragon ever to fail the dragon test. If I become a knight, I won't have to hoard gold, eat villages, or knit anything. I can be brave, helpful, kind, and have adventures." "Adventure!" said Albrecht. "The finest of things. I do love adventure." Once Albrecht had calmed down and stopped prancing, he had a think. I have been many things, but never have I been a steed. You remind me of my younger self, mein Dorfesser, and I think I can help you on your quest. Enough of the rural life. I will come out of retirement to be your mentor, trainer, life coach, and spirit guide. And trusty steed, of course." To be honest, Dave was finding this goat a tad confusing. But when you've got a steed this glossy, you don't question it. "I'm sure we'll be a great team," said Dave. "Now, we should really follow the other steps in the book. Could you help me with number 2? Acquiring the best armor. A suit of armor is a must for any knight. The advantage of armor is that it provides protection from all things pointy and is also conveniently wiped clean. Make sure any armor can be easily removed in case you should need the toilet at short notice. Armorers can usually be found in towns situated near castles. Find your bonus 10% off armory coupon in the back of this book." "Aha!" said Albrecht. "I know where to get armor. We'll need to go to Castletown, but we must be very careful, small dragon. I have a feeling this might be dangerous for you." So, do you think that Dave should become a knight? And do you think Albrecht is a good steed